everybody. Why did I just say hello? I already said hello. Not hello. All I say is hello. Hi guys. Why did I say hi again? Thank you for clicking on this video, and I've had way too many jelly beans. I've had way too many jelly beans this morning. It's evening. Anyways, we're going on with the video. Thank you for clicking on this video. This nail design is for this nail design is inspired. I don't know what this is. This is inspired mint, apparently. Is inspired by the scourging at the pillar and the crowning at thorns. So yeah, let's get to that nail design. Please subscribe and don't forget to like this video. Let's go to that nail design.
Okay, now let's get started. I'm gonna paint my nails white, and yeah, I still got those scratches on my nails from last week's video. And also, I'm gonna paint my thumb white too. Okay, I'm gonna start by taking this paintbrush and some dark red nail polish, and I'm just gonna kind of slash on my nails, just like cuts and slashes. It's kind of like I'm scourging my nail with a paintbrush. Okay, I'm just gonna continue this design until the nail is almost covered. And there we go, that design is done, and now I'm just going to move on to the other one where I'm kind of doing drops of blood with a toothpick, and I'm kind of switching with these designs and kind of switching back and forth. I don't know why this is so hard to say. Back and forth between the toothpick and the nail paintbrush. The reason why I decided to do this kind of gory nail design is because I wanted to showcase all the events of Easter, not just the resurrection or the Last Supper, even though it's kind of hard to think about someone going through all this pain just for you and me, but I just decided to do it, and I think it turned out really well. And I'm just painting my index finger here, and there's not really a design that I planned for this one. I'm just kind of getting it to match the others. And this one on my pinky, I'm kind of just doing like 3 slashes, and I'm back with the paintbrush again. Okay, that design is all done.
Halt! Stop the video! Stop! You have made it to the middle of the video. And before we watch the rest half of the video, it's time for shout-outs. Will you actually shout? No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to give a shout-out to the person who commented emoji monkey on my last video, and that is Essence of Polish. She has a great channel. Her banner is very beautiful. It has nice purple colors. You should go check it out. I really like watching her videos. I think she does a great job with them. So please go check her out. If you want to be in the running for a shout out on my channel in the next video, please comment down below this emoji. A chicken. Or say chicken. I'm inspired by this because my brother has like 30 chickens. Take it away. Go back to your video, Vanna.
Okay, jelly bean eating girl. Okay, so I have these thorns here that I kind of were looking at when I was trying to draw it on my thumb. But yes, we're moving on to the thumb idea. Okay, my thumb is in front of you right now, and I got my nail paintbrush, and I got some gray acrylic paint, and I'm gonna paint the thorns now. It's kind of just gonna be like a little bit of a squiggly line going down my nail. And then I kind of try to thicken that line a little bit, and then I'm gonna just draw another squiggly line going towards my cuticle. And I'm going to take my toothpick and make some triangles going out for the thorns. I'm just going to place them just randomly kind of everywhere all around the branch. Now that the thorns are all done, I'm just going to take a toothpick and put just that same polish for blood at the end of the thorns. Now I'm just going to do a quick dry top coat on it to seal it in. Because the thorns went on my thumb, I kind of shaped it a little sharp, the nail. And the rest of them are kind of square, and they're all done. And the blood has been spilled on Calvary's hill. I have not sung in my voiceover in a long time.
Oh my god! I hope you enjoyed that nail design for Easter. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you already haven't. And give it a like if you liked it. And I'll see you next time. Same bat time, same bat channel.